In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cinema 4D 2025.3.0 and Corona Renderer. We'll walk through a standard installation first, and then I'll show you an advanced option using the unpack method for manual control. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get Corona showing up inside Cinema 4D's menu bar and be ready to create beautiful renders. Start by running the Corona installer as an administrator. This is important because it ensures the installer has the permissions it needs to place files in protected folders and register the plugin correctly. On Windows, that typically means right-clicking the installer and choosing Run as administrator. On Mac OS, open it via the context menu if prompted for permissions. Make sure Cinema 4D is closed before you begin to avoid any file lock issues during installation. During the installation, you'll be asked to select your Cinema 4D version. Choose the Cinema 4D 2025.3.0 installation you want Corona to attach to. If you have multiple Cinema 4D installations on your system, double-check you're pointing to the exact version you'll be using. This selection tells the installer where to place the Corona plugin, so it loads automatically the next time Cinema 4D starts. Once the installer finishes, launch Cinema 4D. Give it a moment on the first start. The application may take slightly longer as it detects and initializes new plugins. To verify that everything worked, look at the top menu bar for the Corona menu. If you see it, you're set. If it doesn't appear right away, a quick restart of Cinema 4D can help. Also confirm that you installed to the correct version folder, as mismatches can prevent the plugin from loading. For more advanced installations, the Corona installer includes an unpack option. Choose Unpack if you prefer to manage the plugin files yourself. This extracts the Corona plugin files to a location you specify without performing a full automatic install. After unpacking, manually copy the extracted Corona plugin folder into your Cinema 4D plugins directory. On Windows, this is typically under Program Files in the Maxon Cinema 4D 2025 folder inside Plugins. On Mac OS, look in Applications inside your Cinema 4D 2025 application folder, then Plugins. Match the exact version folder so Corona loads with the right build. Relaunch Cinema 4D and confirm the Corona menu appears in the menu bar. That's your green light that the plugin is installed and ready. Whether you use the standard installer or the unpack method, you now have Corona integrated with Cinema 4D 2025.3.0 and can move on to creating and rendering your projects with confidence.